guys, welcome to another tutorial of Resolution Journals. Today we will learn how to join live streaming on TikTok. So the first step is go to the application, and after that you need to go to your profile. Here in your profile you need to pick here in inbox. So in this option of inbox, when a people what are in live, they send to you a notification invite to you can join to a live. But if you know if you know that person is alive in a specific hour, you can search that live. If you don't have the notification, you go here in the superior left corner where set live, and you can enter in the option of lives of TikTok, and you can see the people and search that person if you know that person is alive. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.